The 2026 Mercedes Benz A-Class takes the compact luxury segment to a whole new level, combining modern styling, refined performance, and cutting-edge technology in a package that feels more premium than ever before. From the first glance, the exterior design grabs attention with its sleek and aerodynamic body, featuring sharper lines and a bolder front grille that carries the iconic Mercedes emblem proudly at the center. The headlights are now slimmer, with updated LED technology that gives the car a futuristic and aggressive presence on the road. The sculpted body panels and smooth proportions make the A-Class stand out among competitors, while optional larger alloy wheels and sports styling packages enhance its athletic appeal. The rear has also been reworked with more dynamic taillights and a subtle integrated spoiler, balancing sportiness with elegance. Under the hood, the performance is where the 2026 A-Class truly surprises. Depending on the trim, you can choose between fuel-efficient turbocharged engines and a mild hybrid system that improves both responsiveness and economy. The standard setup delivers a smooth balance of power for city and highway driving, while higher trims offer more spirited performance with quick acceleration and sharper handling. The suspension has been tuned to provide comfort without sacrificing agility, making the A-Class feel nimble yet stable. For those seeking more thrill, the AMG variant packs in more horsepower and a sportier exhaust note, bringing true performance credentials to this compact luxury car. Fuel efficiency has also improved thanks to advanced hybrid assistance, making it not only powerful but also practical for daily commuting. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Mercedes Benz A-Class sets a new benchmark in its category. Step inside, and you're greeted with a premium interior that feels closer to the brand's larger models. High-quality materials, soft touch finishes, and customizable ambient lighting create an upscale atmosphere. The seats are supportive and comfortable, available with heating, ventilation, and memory functions, depending on the trim level. The redesigned dashboard is dominated by the latest generation of the MBUX infotainment system, featuring dual high-resolution screens that seamlessly combine the digital instrument cluster and central touchscreen. Voice commands, advanced navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as augmented reality directions, make the system both futuristic and user-friendly. Rear passenger space has slightly improved, making the A-Class more versatile for families, while the cargo area offers practical room for luggage and shopping. When it comes to safety, the A-Class doesn't hold back. Mercedes has equipped it with a full suite of driver assistance technologies including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. Higher trims even feature semi-autonomous driving capabilities, bringing a touch of S-Class level intelligence into the compact segment. As for pricing, the 2026 Mercedes Benz A-Class remains positioned as one of the more accessible entry points into the Mercedes lineup. The base model is expected to start around $38,000, offering excellent value for those wanting luxury and technology without breaking the bank. Higher trims with more features, as well as the AMG performance models, can push the price above $50,000, depending on options and packages. Overall, the 2026 A-Class offers a perfect balance of style, performance, and luxury, making it a standout choice for anyone looking to step into the world of Mercedes-Benz.